Okay, hello YouTube. So we've got just a little bit of color left over from this one. Oh, you can only see this one, but this little project that you might be able to, oh, right there a little bit. And I didn't have much room on the table, so I kind of just do this real quick. So I just put all the remaining colors I had left in this little tiny cup. And we're going to just do a little flip, let it out. Possibly swipe over it, possibly not, I don't know yet. But this, man, this canvas is junk. Look at this, all dented in right there. And we bought these 6x6 canvases. They came with they come with little easels. So we just, our leftover paint, we just use them on there. And most of them are pretty good. They're pretty good shape, but this one looks horrible. And they're cheaper, so they're gonna go in a little bit. So, you know, I'm gonna spend a little more money on the bigger canvases because we really want them to come out good. But anyways, just want to give this a couple seconds to work its way down there a little bit. And I believe the video called Major Massive Cells or Colorful Cells or something, I'm not sure what my title yet because I haven't made it, but that will have the description of all the colors in this little cup if you're super interested. I don't know if you can see on the camera, there's about 10 different colors over here, so. Oh, that's definitely gonna be enough to cover that. I didn't think I was gonna have enough to cover this whole thing, but that'll definitely be enough. Put it on my silicone mat. I'll make jewelry out of that later. Yeah. All right. Well, that should definitely be enough to cover it. So I'm gonna try to just sort of get as much as I can on here before I start dripping it off the sides. All right. Well, there's a lot on here, so let's start dripping. Go that way. Go that way. This one is going to have a lot of pink in it, isn't it? Yep, this is going to be, well, you know what I can do? I'll get rid of a little bit right there. Yeah, you know, let's do that. Let's try to get rid of a little more of that pink. There. Pretty cool. I like that. I'm just going to tap the sides here a little bit. Just tap it in. Just tap it in where there's canvas. Take your drippings, just like you're cooking a turkey, and you put it right back on the turkey. The mix is roughly half paint, half Floetrol. Like I say, roughly. Sometimes the edges will, the paint won't stick. As see how, I kind of don't want to touch it because I don't want to mess up the pattern, but I don't like when the sides start to get white because it doesn't stick to the canvas well enough. Some people say you really should put like a coat of white on every single one you do and spread it around so it soaks in the canvas, but I figure I really don't have an answer to that. I probably should have done that. I was going to make an excuse why I didn't, but I don't have a good answer. Yeah, look at that. That looks cool. See, it looks like it's sinking down a little bit in the middle, though. Yeah, should I mess with it more? What do you guys think? I don't know. I'm kind of digging the way it looks. I'm going to try to stretch out a little more to try to break up those cells a little bit. If this is your first time watching me or watching one of these videos, I know when I first started watching it, hearing people say, they kept saying cells, oh great cells, and I was like, dorks. but now I am one of those people that are like, oh look at the cells, they're great. It's just part of the fun. Yeah, that'll start to level back out with the Floetrol. It's sinking down a little tiny bit, but you know, what are you gonna do? Got a little bit of black right there. I wonder if I can get that back in there. Wow, that looks cool. Oh, whoa, yeah, there. You know what? I'm gonna just get a little bit of that run off the side there. There's just too much on there. Yeah, that's better. Should help it dry out a little bit, I hope. Yeah, looks cool. So this was a very quick video. Let me dry my hands off here, and I will show you. Oops, a little bit closer. Oh my god. wife is sleeping upstairs. I'm in the garage, and you can really hear noises in the garage when you're upstairs, so I'm trying to be extra quiet. And of course, my dumb head didn't realize that that chair was going to be really loud when I slid it. So she probably just woke up for a second. But one lucky thing is I married a champ. She's such a cool lady that she'll be fine. All right. Make sure I don't touch my. This is where the colors came from. That one over there. Those videos should be on before this one, but sometimes I do them in different order, so I don't know. Hopefully it's on. Look around on our channel, you'll find the other videos. Yeah, that one came out pretty cool. The cells kind of broke up a little bit there. That a little bit of black right there. That's kind of odd, isn't it? I like it though. It's different. All right, you guys. Like, share, repeat, sunlight, all that good stuff. We'll see you on the next one. Love you.